Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create reminders in Slack so you never miss an important task or deadline. First, go to any channel or direct message where you want to set a reminder. In the message box, type remind and then a space now. Here's the format. Type remind, followed by who you want to remind, what the reminder is, and when it should happen. For example, you can type remind me to submit the report tomorrow at 3 p.m. You can also set recurring reminders. Try something like remind me to check analytics every Monday at 9 a.m. Slack will confirm your reminder and send a notification to you or your team at the scheduled time to see all your active reminders. Just type remind list in any message box, and that's it. You now know how to use Slack reminders to keep yourself and your team on track. If reminders help you stay organized, let me know how you use them in the comments. See you in the next one.